Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon Steam is not launched issue. So if you're getting this error, Steam is not launched, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Fix 1 is to completely close Steam, then relaunch Steam and relaunch the Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So click on this arrow icon and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will exit the Steam. Now in the window search for Steam and open the Steam as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. This will relaunch Steam. And make sure log into your account and then go to library. Then click on Meccha Chameleon game and then click on play button to relaunch Meccha Chameleon game and check if your error is fixed or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, and if you do not have Steam, then you can install Steam and then add Meccha Chameleon to Steam and then launch the game and check. So to install the Steam, go to this Steam website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Steam website, click on install Steam and then launch this steam setup.exe file and install Steam. After installing the Steam, launch Steam and make sure you logged into your account and then click on add a game, then click on add a non-Steam game and then from the list select Meccha Chameleon game. If you don't see the Meccha Chameleon game over here, then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. Wherever you have installed the Meccha Chameleon game, open the game installation folder. So in my case it is C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Meccha Chameleon game folder. Then open the Chameleon folder, open the binaries folder, open Win64 folder and select this Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open. After adding it, here you can see Penguin Hotel. After adding it, select it and then click on add selected program. And after adding it, select Meccha Chameleon again and then click on play button and see if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these two fixes you can easily solve Meccha Chameleon Steam is not launched error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.